The reality is Craig is not just a visionary in terms of the business that you have here. He's a visionary in the entire community. And that's pretty neat that you get to work with somebody like that. That culture and that vision that he brings to the table is pretty amazing. We couldn't be, as a city, happier to have Busch Systems and everything that you bring to the table.
I'm very proud of you and everything that you've done and everything that you've done for our community and how you support local too.
As a federal member of Parliament for Barrie South Innisfil, I would like to extend my sincere congratulations and best wishes as you celebrate your 40th anniversary.
We're very proud to be here today to congratulate you on your 40th anniversary. And I'll echo Mayor Nuttall's, you don't look a day over 39, so I'm not sure exactly what you're doing, but the rest of us are struggling to keep up. Continuing to sponsor and encourage innovation and small business, as well as large business in town, and you certainly lead by example. So, 40 years and this is all you've accomplished? I mean, really?
Culture does, in fact, eat strategy for breakfast. When there's culture early, it comes from the top. I don't know what's coming next for us. I really don't. I have no idea. When you're leading, you don't. I don't know what's around the next corner. What I do know is that whatever's next, we're ready for it. And I want to thank everyone in our village at Busch, including our suppliers, our advisors, our supporters, and everyone who's made these 40 years possible and really very, very pleasant. Okay, we can't do it without our whole village, our whole ecosystem. We're making products that are destroying the carbon footprint compared to what was. So when people decide to deal with Busch Systems, like the second they place their order, they've already made an environmental decision. We're not afraid of change. We embrace change because I believe in all of you, and I believe that we are meant to make a difference.